Good day. I am Jason T. Daohog and I'm here to answer Nuvai's level questions to expert level questions. So, first question: how do our emotions and feelings shape our moral perception of reality? Can we ever achieve an objective understanding of the world if our emotions play such a significant role in our perceptions? Our emotions and feelings deeply influence our moral perception, shaping our understanding of right and wrong. While achieving complete objectivity is challenging due to this emotional influence, mindfulness and critical thinking can help us balance emotional insights with rational analysis, allowing for a more comprehensive understanding of the world. So, next question: to what extent is our moral character influenced by genetics versus environment and upbringing? Can individuals overcome genetic predispositions toward aggressions or dishonesty and develop a strong moral character through intentional effort? Hmm. Our moral character is shaped by a complex integral play of genetics and environment, with both factors significantly contributing of who we become. While genetic predispositions can influence tendency towards aggression or dishonesty, individuals can overcome this through intentional efforts, like um, with positive environment also and conscious cultivation of virtues and demonstrating the power of personal growth and resilience. Next question: what alternative method could be used to study moral development in a more realistic naturalistic way than Kohlberg's methodology of using dilemmas? Well, there's a lot. Exploring moral development through alternative methods such as longitudinal studies, like tracking real life decision making in diverse social contexts, and also with ethnographic research within communities or neuroscientific like scientific approaches examining our brain activity during moral reasoning can offer more realistic and naturalistic insights than Kohlberg's dilemmas based methodology. It provides a more deeper understanding of moral behavior in authentic settings. So, next question: how does Saint Thomas Aquinas' concept of natural law relate to contemporary debates on issues such as euthanasia, abortion, and same-sex marriage? How has his views influenced the development of Western legal systems? Saint Thomas Aquinas' concept of natural law provides a foundational framework for contemporary debates on euthanasia, abortion, same-sex marriage, as it asserts moral principles derived from human nature and reason. His views have influenced the development of modern legal systems by shaping notions of justice, human rights, and ethical the role of law in upholding ethical law through interpretation. Though though interpretation vary across different societies and legal traditions.